Get ready for the biggest, most unpredictable cooking competition in the world. These seats are about to be filled with 100 of the best home cooks in the country.
This was great cooking, seriously.
I'm gonna love this show, because I get to taste things like this that I've never gotten to taste before.
We've scoured the country looking for the most talented home cooks.
I am a badass home cook.
And everybody's like, you just made this right now?
My food you cannot get in restaurants.
Tens of thousands apply.
I'm a physician.
I am an attorney.
I'm a firefighter.
But we've invited only top 100 in America. Start cooking.
Just turn it on.
I can't believe I just took on Food Network.
I'm smelling all this good food.
Oh my God.
Let's do it.
Try and cook like I'm at home. I am gonna eat in your restaurant one day.
One thing is for certain. This will be a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Never did I ever think I would be on a stage like this. Having this opportunity to cook for you truly feels like a gift from God.
I'm living my dream right now.
I'm ready.
Ultimately, one cook will stand alone and take home a life-changing amount of money.
Sounds like there would be 99 people fighting for second place.
This